How to change pronouns on Pinterest. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Pinterest. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Then click on the three dots at the top right corner. And from the given menu list at the bottom, click on Edit Public Profile. Once you're here, you will see the Pronouns section midway down the screen, and it tells you share how you would like to be referred to, so click on it. And here you will have a lot of pronouns that you can choose from, and it tells you enter up to 2 sets of pronouns to appear on your profile so others know how to refer to you. You can edit or remove these at any time. Say for example these one like here, and you click on the done button at the top right of the screen. So once you're done, you added what you want, just click on the top button at the top right of the screen to save the changes. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change pronouns on Pinterest. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.